Thank you for giving me this time to present a memorandum to our Honorable Chief Minister on behalf of Karbi, Atum, Most respectful Chief Minister sir, on behalf of the Karbi, Arondarim, Armu, Chingrumaipi, we extend our warmest welcome and profound gratitude for gracing us with your presence and lending your valuable encouragement and continued support. Your time is deeply appreciated. We gather here mindful of the rich history that precedes us. The Karbis stand as one of the earliest communities to have inhabited the landscape of northeast India. Historical accounts suggest that the waves of Mongoloid migrations into Assam largely traversed the northeastern and southern routes, passing through what is now Myanmar. Among the various Tibeto-Burman groups that entered, one stream, likely from the north, included communities such as the Mikir, together with Aka, Misimi, Garu, and Kachari. This is supported by the historical evidence documented by eminent historian P.C. Chaudhary in his seminal work, History of Civilization of the People of Assam to the 12th century AD, 1959. The census reports of 1961 provide further compelling evidence, documenting the Karbi settlement in the river valleys of Kopini, Kolong, and Doyan, stretching between the Dhamsiri in the east and the mighty Brahmaputra in the north, since the early centuries of the current era. This region was then under the sway of the ancient Burman, Lechar, and the Pala dynasties. Given the deep historical rootedness, it is perhaps unsurprising that the Karbis of today have preserved their ancestral memory within their rituals. Furthermore, historical records like the Deodhai, Ahom Buronji document the settlement of some batches of Karbis in the frontier regions of the Ahom Kingdom, highlighting their interactions with other significant powers in the region's past. The earliest history of Assam by Holiram Dekyan Phugon of 1828 and later by Gunabhiram Bahua 1884 had mentioned about the ancient Karbi kingdom named Dimorua. Understanding this rich and layered history is crucial to appreciating the present-day Karbi identity and aspirations. Their long presence in this land, their interactions with various historical powers, and their unique cultural memory, preserved through language and rituals, all contributed to a distinct and valuable heritage within the mosaic of what is the composite state of Assam. We are honored to share the heritage with you today. It fills us with happiness and confidence to witness the commitment of the government of Assam under your astute leadership to safeguarding the religious and cultural practices of indigenous communities like the Karbis. The creation of the Ministry of Indigenous and Tribal Faith and Culture is a testament to this commitment. With the ministry under your direct supervision, we firmly believe that the following steps will be kindly initiated to further strengthen Karbi indigenous cultural and religious practices in our region. Number one, the formal recognition of the Karbi Arondarim and its